I might share some unpopular opinions here. I own a brokerage, so I'm going to tell you my own dirty secrets of owning a brokerage. And it's true just about everywhere, no matter the size, scope, or whatever of the brokerage. Hey, my name is Chance Brown. I'm the broker owner of CB&A Realtors. Sometimes you put technology in your brokerage that you know nobody's going to use, but it looks sexy in a recruiting presentation. It's just the truth. Recruiting is the lifeblood of a brokerage. It's how you continue to grow. But what I would tell you is it's also garbage. So can we talk about technology that actually moves the needle in your business? Most of you are probably tired of being inundated with stuff about AI. And some of you may be very advanced in AI. Some of you might be using it as like your alternative to Google. There's no right or wrong here. But I think that one of the things, and there's a great book if you want to read it called The AI-Driven Leader that has a rough tie-in to real estate, but it's not a real estate book. But I think that if you take the lesson of that, where it teaches you to be the thought leader and AI to be your thought partner, and apply that to all of your technology, I think you start to really get a strategy on how to use tech to build your business or how not to. So if we look at a CRM, for example, I want to be the driver of my CRM. I just want it to do the things that I want it to do. Most CRMs are very good about that. In fact, I would tell you, I think the CRMs are probably the most pliable when it comes to being my partner in my business, because I can really set it up to do whatever the heck I want to do. So if I'm setting it up, like in my CRM, I don't really like it sending things out. Every now and then I'll have it send something out, but mostly it's reminding me to do things. And so that's just the way I've got mine set up. My situation is a little different though. You might have yours sending out newsletters or postcards or quarterly reminders of this maintenance thing or that. Whatever it is that you want to have it, great, but it's your partner in the business. The same should be true of any marketing tools, anything that you're using technology for. Are they enhancing your service? Are they enhancing the client experience? Are they helping you drive lead generation and referral into your business? Or are you doing it and you don't really know why? Because if it's the latter and it's not moving the needle in your business, is it really worth the time and effort or anything else that you have to do to make that work? I don't know the answer, but I think it's something that's worth sitting down in your business and kind of doing an audit on. Look at the tech that you have. Look at the tech that's out there, and what are the things that you can do to get that tech to be your partner in your business, not a burden to your business. Hope that's helpful. Hope that helps you make the right decisions on how to use technology to enhance your brand, your service, and most importantly, the client experience. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy to help. Give us a like, follow if you found this useful.